Yeah, man, you don't know, say, how we say update, and you don't know how we say update pan Queenie or anything I go on the street surrounding that. You see it? Yo, you don't know nothing go live yesterday and talk about things, whole heap of things about Queenie, you see it? All kind of things. In same Amari sit down and have a chat about Queenie and RT and them something there, you see it? So if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see me? Yeah man, Queenie they are bona fire, you see it? And they are happy, you see me? Yeah man, must say nothing for go man, nothing chat too much and them thing there and be a fake news must spread and something. You see it and say yo. Not now go on for Nuffy over the years, she know Nuffy as a MC and Sting and Nuffy should have a whole lot of things, you see it, should have achieved a lot of things and now you not achieve nothing, so we forward and see what go on and hear what go on at the video, you see me?
I will not for chat me say. Not for chat me. I'm going to chat back in time. I see me just chat him back. Nuffy is always enough and him can't reach enough place. Don't mind blood clot, Nuffy. Me think about that enough place like me. Your name not fit your Nuffy. Nuffy, how we name Nuffy? After me don't know Nuffy in a real life, I never meet Nuffy, so I must have 3-4 them for me. Look like I'm skid up my game and the museum tea them take them up. I don't want class blood for you and I lie that tell for Nuffy, you know. Nuffy said RT a dig. Oh, him say RT now bar must Nuffy for make RT fuck me. If me that bar Nuffy well, Nuffy me now bar your big slab up underneath the door. And my blood if RT not have underneath him film no say RT me. You should have taken him out and come suck out the smell bad come and me RT done. You know when man them blood or that think. Nobody not tell us stop it. Nothing move your big nah barrier you just you know when nothing chat me. If you don't enough, move you buy a plane ticket for yourself come to Jamaica. Him call me last year tell me say Queenie. If you don't, I'm not sure say him chat me. Say I marry him. Say it too. Him I marry chat me. I lie. The trainer no say enough for your bad hungry. Move your bad enough for. For when me I know your name to blood. If I have eggshell, me never see a pant. Enough for call me last year, 2022. And say tell call my friend and say tell Queenie say she for accept the clash with Marry. I'm back on belly right to that two-sided last said out. Because if she not accept the clash can't go on. So oh no you sit down you better RT but that quick for skin up my crown roast duck and from RT. You want roast duck, them get ready to get on the live. Him Charlie. Big twin pussy give at them and them twin as enough a big like the twin pussy. So here when them calling right now, tell Queenie man, tell Queenie say she accept the clash because if she not accept the clash can't go on. And the whole of them cook up my daughter. You know, hungry that 2,100 pound my pay go to Jamaica for my plane ticket for go a sting. You know, never sponsor me. When I can't chat to I'm a sour crutches and my RT done sniff out like yellow. I don't make me out I don't have trouble me. So me never know same chat man. Bad hungry, not for you. Not for you, bad hungry. Not for the way you know should have a presence is in a sting. You should make me I tell Jada Kinnon and Stefan and some more the Sting UK. You should have Sting worldwide. He's a cruffy. He's not Nuffy, he's cruffy. You are the biggest cruff for me, no Nuffy. All you do is sneak there people inbox and sniff out the girl I'm grad into our life, you know, and so when we reach in our life I want to put in for me youth, them just now I'm proud. I forgot to call God, sugar suck God. So the two with this one. Why? I love Queenie. Queenie dog is a world and moment. To God be the glory, man. Great things he has done, man. On an elevator to self, man. One day at a time, see Jesus. Father God never take one day and make him world. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Everybody have them little terms. And if you have ambitious, and you set out in the universe what you want and you work towards it, you will get it. Okay? It's not to prove on me. It's about investing in yourself and believe in yourself. I say believe in yourself and put in the hard work. You can kill people, you can laugh and feel good. If you want to laugh and feel good for me have to laugh and feel good for myself, you understand me? Yeah, man, I'm not big up on the damn self and the queen, alright. Over here, cool and nice. I can see the hate and the jealous people over here. Yeah, man, them for jealous. Yeah, why? Them not like me. Why? Me not mind it. Why? Me a wifey. Why? Let's get this straight, cause me take disrespect. There's a price to pay, so be careful of what you say. How many times they run for me name, I'm still not check them. I have no time for no. Hard work me I put into push car when me done work at daytime, run up and down, get this at work, man. They go this, go look this, find this, plug ya. Then them say, yo, me not remember that. When I'm ready, me just knock out some bloops. Amari not a real queen, save for her life from far too. Amari can't do me now. Let me tell you what Amari now. Amari is a Judas, but she have love for me. You see the love that she have for me it's overwhelming to her, and as she said, when she see me in a super and see me give Amari orgasm, you know. Amari fantasize about me. But because she knows me is another Dexter can't tame and she have to challenge me. Me not feel trying to like I'm by Amari. Amari is like RT boss. As I said to RT boss, I say girl power and I haven't got anything against Spice. So when him come on my platform and remember RT always event a film ego, me can't tell him what I'm ego. I said to him, say that's your ego to us, Spice, is nothing to do with me. But as a woman and as a person, I feel uncomfortable when he's on my platform saying all of those things. You understand me? Because him not need my platform. Him can go over there, but because them piss him off, and the piss him off, him a vent, and you know, Prices is arrival, I said, go. So him just take out everything, but it make me feel funny, you understand? Because me and Spice not, no, me don't know when I just take me over and turn me in a film Spice and stop trouble Spice. You understand me? But hopefully, can let me tell you, art is a fun-loving person. And I think RT miss Spice. No, Spice is a serious woman. Spice come like somebody women. No. Yes, when them now look on you, you could have deal them now look. So, whatever my Spice about, she said, I can't bother with him. It hurt him. So him have that, I say, go, him have that little something like when Spice not paying the man. Take me for your new Spice. You understand me? Take me for your new Spice and leave Spice alone, because it was when a Friday, him did up on the live and him cut off of the live, but I can't tell him, as I say, I can't tell him what he is to vent about. I just feel, you know, kind of like a creepy. But Art is good as a friend. I like him take me interest of art. RT soon breed you and give you some baby. When I can't chat shit to you, I telling the facts. Listen, RT is good for me because the interest of RT taking me as a friend. Him fun of me and him see my value. You understand me? And I like that with him. Him not invade my privacy for make me feel like him a command to me. See, if he made me invade my privacy, me and him wouldn't so tight. Where RT Obeting is concerned, I don't care about him and him Obeting. Him look a spiritual thing that a female, nothing to do with me, come seem like that. RT have good business aspect where I throw a lot of proposal and him get a lot of offer. And all of them little things. So I just try out a little thing. I'm new. I'm very emotional, yeah. Yeah, he's a very emotional person. Me love with RT, and me alone him take care of. You understand me? All of who they run him, I like that. Him sit with them, eat. If them want juice, him everything, him just take care of people, and I love that. I like a caring person who care about everybody. Not because him having money, him feel like them too cockatty. So me they run RT, me study him. As I said to him, say, RT, you know, me not do the Obe something, me know why you tell me nothing about no Obe nothing, me know why you read me not nothing. And say, Queenie, me not go bring that to you. So I appreciate him, you understand me? I appreciate him that him respect the fact that him job, it don't have anything to do with me, and I don't want him read me and tell me, say, this I got to me. I don't want you one. I'm a own reader, oh man. You understand? So many make a good team, and as my brethren say, when I'm a brethren from long time, say I'm love our RT to come a burden and I take care of me, and it don't mean to say RT mind me as I think RT pay me my worth and I value as the queen. You understand me? Yeah, I'm a little friend, man. I'm a little new friend. I love him, man. Him fun. Him is a fun-loving person. I remember say RT took out the I said, Queen, I'm carry the seed, but I'm married. I said, boy, what kind of stuff in this? So blunt. So me have to respect RT, but so me understand some are crazy. Them are very protective of me. Because I him the spice. Why on a protective? But me and him not go down, no reading nothing. RT is just my friend, my new friend, and where the music is concerned, I do music, so me am new spice. Put it away there. Yeah, man, get over Spice and take me over, man. I make me do music and leave Spice. I don't know, I just how me think because me have my own brand and my own label, so me and RT can work together because then me and RT attack a beer business input to me. Beer business, I love that. Queenie, you can't make money this way, no, Queenie, everything.